Hello, today in this video we're going to walk together in the Isfahan Bazaar and show you the details of this historical and beautiful place. Isfahan Market is one of the most beautiful bazaars that you may come across in Iran, and I suggest that if you come to Isfahan, you must visit this historical and beautiful bazaar. Let's walk and see the details of this market. Isfahan Grand Bazaar, known as Bazar Bozorg in Farsi or Qaisariya Bazaar or Sultani Bazaar, is one of Iran's most historic and marvelous bazaars. Located in the north side of Nakhja Jahan Square, the most highlighted Isfahan tourist attraction registered as UNESCO World Heritage Site. Isfahan Grand Bazaar was built during 11th century and destroyed and restored various times till Safavid era, when it was rebuilt as one of the ambitious expansion plans of Shah Abbas Safavi during the 17th century, when it was used as one of the greatest and luxurious trading center in the Safavid era. As one of the most seen sites in Isfahan, Isfahan Grand Bazaar is always offered by our Iran tours for those who want to travel to Iran and visit Isfahan. Once in Iran, you can find this covered bazaar, which is a maze of madrasas, caravanserais, lanes, and center of trades such as handicraft and carpet vendors.
بیارش تا